Hey guys, it's April and Abby, and we're in a hotel room.
Again.
Yeah. After this, I only have like 3 videos on YouTube, so we're gonna have like 18 after this. And like, I'll actually send in my email. We can delete them. Oh yeah. Okay, this is our friend Clare, and we didn't even say anything about her in the first of the video. There she is.
She's gonna do some stuff for us.
Yeah. Go crazy, Claire. Do whatever you want.
Good one.
It's in your ear.
Hey guys, can you do this? She's our multi-talented
No, look.
friend.
Okay, do it again. All right.
Hey, can you do this?